Hey guys, this video is a quick one. Inside this back area, I've taken out the rear seats. I have my camera bag, my drone, and also my charging equipment. I've got a C-Tech DC to DC charger in here, AGM battery, and it has two SIGGI sockets, two USB sockets, 1500 watt inverter to charge up all my gear. So that's that. Now coming around to the front of the vehicle, got my solar panel. That's a 250 watt. It's plugged straight into the back of my vehicle. On this side, 40 litre angle fridge freezer and a beer. Got this big expandable collapsible bin, garbage bag inside of it. In this I like to call my cupboard, my pantry. Got all my pots and pans, esky, and in that esky houses all of my food. Underneath I have these buckets for my shower, and that's for underneath the sink. And this is my kitchen, it pulls out. It's a beauty. And I usually put this bucket underneath, catches all the water from my sink, make sure it turns on. Stove top, you've got the beautiful running water here out of the sink, and your 3-top burner here just next to it. And this cutting board just comes out and it slides in nicely up and down in there, so it's easy to stow away. Plus there's also a handy little light here, chopping up and making a sandwich. Mug. What I'd like to do is get sorted out in this cupboard, but the bucket underneath is a nice little touch. I like that I've got my water here for my shower, gas bottles over here just at the back, solar panels in, charging up my batteries during the day. We've been blessed with some really good weather though. All right, now, Weldon blankets here on the floor too, bedroom and my office as you will. So let's check it out. Just got a clip on here, the zip's busted, pretty good. The zip for the fly screen's on there. And then in here, my office desk, it's a nice breeze coming through. Dryzer bone hanging up, electric skateboard, comfy chair with a cushion. And then in here I've just got extra storage underneath the bed. My shoes, clothes, sleeping bag, it's got a mink blanket, doona on top. So there we have it. And on this side here I've got my toilet. And I've got my shed just next to that. Water tank which gets filled before I leave. Extra water, I've two 20-litre water cans. Chainsaw. And in this little cupboard I've got lead. 360 hitch. So as you can see, it's a really funky little easy setup. It's very basic and I love it. Amongst nature. I've got plenty of power here with solar panels. So that's my camp. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching.